Hey everyone. So this week's topic is sex education, which is a topic that's near and dear to my heart. I do a lot of research about it in my internship, and it's just a personal interest of mine as well. So the program that I chose was called Safer Choices. So basically it's a school-based program that serves as a resource for both sexually active teens as well as abstinent teens of all demographics, as well as parents, which I think is really important. It uses peer-based and real-world examples such as speakers that are HIV positive and peer group activities as an example to approach and teach teens about safer sex, STIs, and relationship communication, which is incredibly important, that communication be taught as well as your nuts and bolts of sex ed. I love that this program takes a longer approach. It's playing a long game by going over the last 2 years of high school. You really get to teach all of the different aspects of adolescent sexuality as people are experiencing it, and I think that's really important that it maintain its relevance in these kids' lives instead of just, one class when you're in 8th grade and you don't really know what's going on. So I feel like that is one of the benefits of this program for sure. And it is the closest thing to comprehensive sex education on the list. So I think that this is really successful. I actually got to hear a lecture about this specific program this summer from an academic perspective on what works and what doesn't in sex ed programs. And this one really lauded the peer-based strategies because it can work really well to communicate like the universal ups and downs of sexuality growing up, and it can also help to decrease shame and start a discourse about this. So that's really important. Educating parents is also equally important because then parents can then give fact-based advice to their children, and it can help them model healthy relationships as well as build that trust. So all very important stuff. One thing I think the program could probably use would be talk of, other long-active reversible contraceptive and other birth control methods, gender and sexual orientation. I think is a big thing that this one misses out on, and consent, obviously, but they might include that in the relationship communication. I'm not sure. It wasn't very specific. So yeah, that's my thoughts. Can't wait to see your video. Bye.